So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a portfolio collection on Wix website builder. So if you find this helpful, this short Wix tutorial, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So what you're going to have to do here is, and thank you for subscribing. What you're going to need to do here is to click on my business. And then here you have some apps. You can look for apps. You can find apps here. And if you can't find here Wix portfolio or Wix collection, you can click on search for more apps, and then here I'm going to search for collection. I misspelled there, and we're gonna have to, let's actually try collection, and we're gonna have to install this app, Wix portfolio, and we're gonna click on add to site. Now it's gonna add this to our website. This app is just gonna take like few seconds. And now here we're just gonna have to click on to leave this Wix editor, and we're gonna have to go to our dashboard. So we have here now a new page. We can click on pages and menu, and then here we have portfolio pages. Okay, only portfolio pages that you of course can customize. Okay, look here, my portfolio, I only have one image added this. I can click on collection, which I have this collection page, which I can change the design. I can click on here, manage collections. And from here now, I can add a new collection. This is my portfolio name. I can click on cancel here and I can add a new collection, or I can go here and add more projects. I can add a project here. I can manage collections, and now you can also integrate with Instagram, connect Instagram. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, I hope you found this short Wix tutorial helpful. Subscribe for more, and take care.